friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Summit MS321UP 32-inch 4K LCD. So friend, MSI announced the launch of new domestic distribution channel for the 32-inch 4K liquid crystal display Summit MS321UP, and friend, it will be available beginning of 27 January at a price of $920. And friend, the primary unit feature is a noise cancelling microphone for crystal clear call during online meetings and classing, a KVM switch for sharing up to 3 USB devices between two PCs, and a detachable light shielding cowl for that reduces outside light reflection. And additionally, the color accuracy of color difference E2 is achieved through factory calibration, making it suited for both business and creative work. And the primary specification include a refresh rate of 60 Hz, response time of 4 milliseconds, color gamut coverage rate of 98% for sRGB, 95% of DCI-P3, a maximum display color of approximately 1700 million colors, a contrast ratio of 1000 Gen.1, brightness of 400 nit, an IPS liquid crystal panel, and HDMI 2.0b/2, DisplayPort 1.2/2, USB Type-C/1, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-A hub into 3, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-B/1, audio combo jack into 1 are all available. And the stand tilt from -5 to 20 degree, swivel from -35 to 35 degree, adjust in height from 0 to 100 mm. And the external measurements are 727.1 mm in width, 235 mm in depth, 460.78 mm in height, and it comes with weight around 9.7 kg. And the product is covered by a 3-year warranty. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.